Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to hide or disable ads on the Brave browser new tab page on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open a new tab in Brave, you might notice sponsored images or ads appearing in the background. These are part of Brave's advertising system, but some users prefer a clean and distraction-free experience. So let's see how to turn them off. First, open the Brave browser on your computer, then click on the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Here, choose the background image in the left sidebar. If you want to disable these ads, simply turn off the toggle switch that says show new tab page ads. Once you disable it, Brave will stop showing sponsored images or ads in new tab page. If you ever want to enable them again, you can turn the toggle back on from the same settings panel. These ads are part of Brave rewards and are optional, so you can control them anytime. That's it. Now you can enjoy a clean and distraction-free new tab page in Brave. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.